Hi, I'm Kyle Albrecht with Welding Shop and Manchac Metals. At Welding Shop, we're a custom fabrication company that focuses on structural steel, landscape architectural, and manufacturing. In October of last year, we first saw the conceptuals from the Hill Country Conservancy for the trailhead at the Violet Crown Trail at Zilker Park, and we knew we needed to be part of it. We won the bid, and we were contracted by Ishin Construction, and over the last 12 months, we've been putting together some iconic structures and monuments down at Zilker Park. Come follow along and check it out. Come on, let's check out the trail. This is the scenic overlook here at the Violet Crown Trail. This was built inside the floodplain, so we actually, the GC drilled in 30-foot piers through solid rock just to make this structure happen over here. We covered it with ADA bar grading so people can walk across it without any issues. And you're able to look out over here to the heart of Barton Springs where all the water comes into the pool at Zilker and everything else. This really came out beautiful. Ishin Construction self-performed the construction of the pavilion with the welding and fabricating with materials from Manchac Metals, along with some consulting from Welding Shop. We produced the signage here with laser cut letters, and TIG welding was a procedure we used to seam everything in together really nice. We also manufactured the educational signs over here on the right. The architects used a monarch butterfly as the inspiration behind this structure, and it just came out beautiful. It is really something to see. Here we are now with Tim Ishin with Ishin Construction, the GC on this project. What do you have to say about it, Tim?
Happy that it's over. Happy that it's done. But couldn't have done it without you.
I appreciate
It's been
that.
a pleasure working with you, and the work speaks for itself.
I appreciate that. It was fun, and
Yeah.
I love doing iconic stuff like this where the architecture speaks for itself.
Yeah, 100%. I think this is one of those projects that'll be here long after we're gone, and happy to be have worked with you to make it happen here at Zilker Park.
I appreciate that. It was a fun build, and
Yeah.
it looks beautiful.
Most definitely. Now, I will say that we've built our business on three main principles: craftsmanship, integrity, and artistry. And it's very rare that we come across another contractor like yourself that can both perform and adhere to all three of those principles. So thank you very much.
Appreciate that.
Yep.
This 18-foot diameter monument is the 0-mile marker for the Violet Crown Trail that's currently going all the way down to Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center in South Austin. This was a really fun project, from rolling and bending all the steel to installing it. We have a multi-layer laminated steel sign at the top right here. It was a fun project. The architects really did good with this one. Follow us for more projects in the future like this.